Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to partition a new drive. Now let's get into partitioning your drive. So let's just search partition, and here create and format partition is here. Just click enter. In Windows 10 also it's the same thing. You can just search, it'll come, the same thing will come. In Windows 10 also look exactly the same. So before this comes, there will be a pop-up like this. Here you just click on GPT style of logical disk manager. This is the one which is used usually because it's the new one, and obviously if you have a M.2 slot, this type will be recognized by your PC. So just click on GPT and then click OK, and then after that this will come. So here it'll be written unallocated disk 0 or anything according to your PC, and how much ever GB you have according to your drive. So you can just right click on it, and then here a new simple volume is there. Click on that to set partition drive. So if you want multiple drives, here after clicking next you can allot how much ever MB you want for that drive, and then allot the next drive and allot the next drive according to your drive space left. So here I'm just gonna make this as one drive itself, so I'm gonna put the whole volume here, so I can click next. Now you can just assign any letter you want. I'm just gonna leave it with D, and then you don't need to mess with the other stuff. You can just click next, and then here also you don't need to mess anything. You can just click next. This is the default stuff, just leave it like that, and it'll just show you all the stuff which is selected, and then you can just click finish, and then that's it. This is how you format it, and it got opened here. This is the new drive. So if I go to this PC, now it will show. Before formatting, if you check, the volume won't be shown. Now it's totally free, and then D drive, new volume. You can just rename it or do anything you want. So that's it guys. This is how you can install SSD and format it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this, and comment down below if you want any other video like this. See you in the next video. Thank you.